and this is our second demo video for our web app FitHub. In this video, we'll be demonstrating our next two functional groups, namely dietary and nutritional tracking, as well as diet plan and recipe management. And so first off, we'll already have done the login and onboarding procedures, just like in our last video. And in the dashboard, we'll have our users' recommended macros, as you can see there, and their progress log. And here we'll just input in their sample progress weight, body fat percentage, and photos, which will then be saved in our Postgres database for each corresponding user and for each corresponding log. And next up, we'll go into the user's log food or food diary tabs, which are basically the same. And this is where we'll have the users remaining daily macros, as well as their input meals for the day. And here we use two databases, OpenFoodFacts for commercial products, as you'll see here, and USDA FoodData for more unprocessed foods and ingredients. And as you can see, after inputting, our tracker has changed accordingly. And so now we'll just go into our recipes tabs. Here there are community recommended recipes, as well as the user's own personal recipes, which include high protein, low carb, and low calorie recipes accordingly. And here, as you can see, the community recipe tab is currently empty, and so we'll try and create our own community recipe. And this will just be a mock recipe. And for our community tab, before being pushed onto the shared public database, a moderator will have to review the user's said recipe first after they've submitted it to the community, of course. And as you can see here, after submitting it, the recipe is nowhere to be found on the community tab. But when you get into the My Collection tab, as you can see, the meal we just made is awaiting review from a moderator. And so now we'll just go into our diet plan manager, and this is where we can input planned meals for each day. And here, a meal can just be a recipe we've made, as you can see, or it can be a food data, or it can be singular foods from the food database. And here we also have a grocery list, which will automatically compile every single ingredient that we need for our meal prep for the month. And here we can select things that we've bought or unselect things that we don't have currently. And that is it for our second demo video. Thank you.